Introducing the DeltaWave Nasal Pillow System. With over 40 years in the sleep disorder industry, our founder and team has over 17 patents directly related to sleep disorder products. The DeltaWave is the culmination of years of product design, resulting in the safest, most comfortable, and effective nasal pillow system on the market. Our design goal was to look at every technical and consumer issue surrounding the current nasal pillows market and eliminate it. This included both airflow design deficiencies and user compliance issues, such as the want or ability to stay on a prescribed treatment. After all, what good is a CPAP interface if you don't use it?
We studied what the problems and issues with all the existing products were and set out to solve each of them. And the DeltaWave is the culmination of all that work. We've been working on various derivatives of this final device, and we feel we have come up with the best nasal pillow system on the market. We've addressed the three major issues with any nasal pillow system. One is the flow rate into the device. The second issue is the exhalation process or work of breathing, as it's termed. And certainly we needed to address the comfort of the device so that people would stay compliant with it and be delivered the best flow of air, the quietest system, and wake up rested and safe.
We have created the lightest, easiest, and least obstructive nasal system on the market. With just a single head strap to keep the system in place, putting the DeltaWave on and taking it off couldn't be any easier. And maintenance is a breeze, with just a few parts, which easily disassemble and reassemble in a snap. Let's see what sets the DeltaWave apart from other nasal systems. First of all, we stay with a standard CPAP 22mm hose diameter, unlike most other systems which start by narrowing the airflow through a restrictive 15mm hose. A smaller hose means two things. First, as you decrease the tube diameter, you increase the velocity of the air, which often causes the felt burning sensation in the nose along with the drying of the sinuses. Second, a smaller hose means less air can flow in a given amount of time. This means it takes longer and forces the use of accessory muscles to inhale and exhale completely. Even while asleep, this increased work of breathing is perceptible, which causes feelings of anxiety throughout the night. DeltaWave uses a highly flexible 22mm hose and carefully designed air passages within the cannula and inserts to deliver the maximum amount of air with the minimum work of breathing. The exhaust port panel on the DeltaWave was carefully designed to provide the perfect cross-sectional flow space required for normal and relaxed exhalation, with minimum of work of breathing. We have also greatly reduced the noise levels, and the bleed port panel is positioned and oriented so exhaled air does not annoyingly blow onto the arms or hands. Next, we designed a rigid cannula that does not deform or collapse when strapped in place. The proprietary internal shape allows for increased airflow from the larger tubing to remain less turbulent as it travels through the cannula and out the nasal inserts. The unique design of the patented DeltaWave insert tip and pillow system fits comfortably into the nostrils and against the bottom of the nose. The tips are specially designed to maintain their shape, providing an airtight seal without the need to over-tighten the headgear. And of course, any interface needs to be comfortable for the user to wear. Current units rely on the headgear to pull the pillows or mask tightly against the nostrils and face to create an airtight seal. This tightening causes pressure points that are felt at all points from the nostrils and cheeks to the back of the head. The head strap and retainer bars of the DeltaWave are not required to create the seal at the nostrils. They only help to keep the unit in place during normal sleep movements. Therefore, excessive and painful tightening is not required. They are made of comfortable materials, specially designed to hold the nasal pillows at the correct orientation without being obtrusive or creating pressure points on the head or face. The main purpose of any sleep apnea device is to provide unobstructed airflow during the inspiratory and expiratory cycle. Failure to accomplish this task leaves the patient feeling anxious, resulting in restless, intermittent, and unsafe sleep. By using the DeltaWave, a peaceful night's sleep is, rest assured,